Okay, we're gonna move on to your next topic, how light works. For this one, Son, this is more complicated because we have science involved in this one. So, look at the picture. Why do you think cities have so many lights?
Because people still have to work or study in the night.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, that is true. Okay, so of course, yeah. And next, number two, have you ever seen a rainbow? What colors appeared in it?
It is white.
Uh, okay, I see. When does a rainbow appear?
After the rain comes,
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, number three, why is the sky blue during the day and but black at night?
I don't know this reason.
Okay, it's all right. It's blue during the day because believe it or not, the sky is a reflection of the Earth's ocean. Okay, so the color of the ocean is reflected, goes back to space, and creates the blue color we see, which is actually pretty cool. And of course, at night, it's black because that is the side of the Earth where the sun cannot reach. Okay, did you get the idea?
Yes.
Yeah, this is only based from what I've read. Okay, of course, there are more things that are connected, I mean. Okay, let's move on then. So building background knowledge. Okay, just a short article. Okay, so you can also refer to their chart. Let's just choose some words here. Can you please pronounce his name?
Isaac Newton.
Okay, very good. Son, just read it, okay, and then just tell me when you're done. Go ahead. So just keep it in mind. Okay, next. Okay, we have the big question here. How does light help us see the world? What do you think?
Like when the light hits the object and reflects to the eye, it helps us to see the object.
Okay, very good. Yeah, that is the basic principle. It is as you said. It's actually explained by what you read a while ago. Okay, very good. Yeah. So the light, okay, bounces off the different surfaces and bounce back to our eyes. Okay, the light is now perceived by our brain and creates images or shapes. Okay, yeah, that is the answer. And we'll just change it a little bit, okay? Instead, okay, wait. Instead, we'll go to the vocabulary part. Is it okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it then. In number one, the dog ran toward a shiny blank.
Object.
A very good object. Number two, the children ran in the blank of the ball.
Direction.
Okay, very good. Direction. Number three, it is a bad idea to blank baby animals.
Separate.
Okay, very good. Separate. And four, if there is more rain falling, then the ground can blank.
Absorb.
Okay, absorb. And of course, the final word is analyze. Okay, that's it for this part. Next one. Okay, we have 6 to 10. Although no one spoke, I could perceive.
Sense.
Okay, very good. Sense. Good job. Okay, next, because of the combination of colors.
C. Mixture.
Okay, good job. Number 8, represent.
A. Symbolize.
Okay, symbolize. And 9, immediately.
A. Instantly.
Okay, very good. Instantly. And the final number?
D. Personal.
Okay, yes, personal. Okay, good job. And once again, we're going to choose some words to connect. We'll choose symbolize, mixture. We'll choose a strange combination, okay, Son? Instantly and personal. Okay, go ahead and give it a try.
Combine four of them.
Yes, yes. 4 of them. Hmm.
I instantly think that agree. Mm, a mixture of people is better than personal creation because it symbolizes hard work between two people.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, I mean the words are used correctly. Okay, very good, son. Okay, you've done it. Okay, next one before we end the class, we'll just match it. So volcanoes can blank gases.
Makeup.
Okay, make up. Maybe you can choose another one.
Mm, give up.
Okay, yes, give off. Okay, next. The ingredients that blank the dish are expensive.
Makeup.
Okay, yes, make up. And of course, number 13, television, we have turn on. So let's begin then. Yesterday we stopped on the idioms. Today we'll go back to the reading passage. Son, did you read it already?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready to answer or would you like to read again?
Now just read it again.
Okay then. So please go ahead. Okay, read it silently. Just tell me when you're done. Let's go straight to the comprehension. Okay, here we go. So number one, Son, what is the main idea?
B. Light enables us to see the world around us.
Yes, that is true. Okay, very good. That is the main point. Number two, what happens when light waves are reflected?
A. They bounce off an object.
Okay, very good. Okay, number three, what type of light is reflected by a leaf?
A. Green light.
Green light, yes. Okay, good job. Four, the word emitted in the passage is closest in meaning to.
Stand out.
Okay, very good. Stand out. Number five, according to the passage, which of the following is not true?
D. It is completely absorbed by white objects.
Okay, very good. And the final number?
A. We cannot see them unless they pass through or reflect off an object.
Okay, very good. So you can actually use some of your answers here to answer 7 to 9. In number 7, why does every object have a specific color?
Because they all have different lengths of waves.
They have different lengths of waves. Mm, can you explain some more?
If the length of the waves, each waves are long, it is close to red, and if the length of the waves are little, it is
Mm.
close to purple.
Okay, yes, you got that from the reading. Okay, that is true as well. Another answer is some of these light waves are absorbed by the object. Okay, so it stays there, and that gives off the color. It says here that some objects absorb the waves, right? So it stays there, and it actually causes the color. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Okay, very good. Number 8, what are some examples of light sources?
there are suns and fire
And one more.
and lamps.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, very good. Number 9 is a little bit more complicated. How is your brain involved in the process of using light to see?
Our brain uses these reflections and help us to see the shape and color of each object.
Okay, exactly. I mean, yeah, that is the exact answer. Very good, son. I mean, there's a deeper explanation to it if we use science and medicine, but in the book, that is the only thing that was mentioned. Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on then to the summary part. Okay, so you're simply going to complete them using the words here. Let's begin then. Light is a kind of,
Light is a kind of energy.
okay, very good, energy. Next one, it is created by different blank and blank.
It is created by different sources and travels in waves.
Okay, so sources and waves. Okay, very good. Next one, it blank things.
Bounces up.
Yeah, okay, that's the one. Okay, bounces off things before entering your eyes. B, the reflections show us the blank of objects.
Shape.
Okay, very good. Shapes. Next one. Each color is a kind of.
Lightweight.
Yes, very good. You were talking about it a while ago. Okay, very good. And next, white light is made up of an.
Spectrum.
Okay, very good. Spectrum. Okay, next, known objects blank and those they blank.
Absorb some waves and those they bounces and those they reflects make the color we see.
Okay, good. Absorb and reflect. Okay, next one. Part four. It travels from a lamp in all
Directions.
directions. Good. And of course, the final one. In a room, blank, blank.
Enters.
Okay, enters, and of course, the final word, objects. Okay, Son, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good then. So we're done with this. Okay, now for the bigger challenge. Okay, complete the summary with your own words based on the outline. So always you can base it on the outline. Okay, don't forget to complete the the sentences as well. So Son, you may begin. Just transfer it to the chat box. Go ahead. Oh, you typed a lot here. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, there you go. And now let's check. So light is a kind is a kind of energy that is created by different sources and travels in waves. Light reflects things before it enters our eyes, and the reflection shows us the shape of the object. Each color is a specific kind of light wave. Object absorb some waves. Okay, we put an S because we are speaking in a general way. So we need to say all of the things. So objects absorb some waves and others are reflected and enters our eyes. Light travels from lamp, okay, from a lamp, okay, in all directions and helps our eyes and brains see the object. Okay, very good, Son. Okay, this is quite good. Okay, I mean great. I mean you only have minimal corrections. And again, thank you, Son, for taking the time to make the summary as well.